Hey guys, this is Caleb with MarineMax Lake Norman. Today I want to do a walkthrough on this 2024 Yamaha AR195. You got this one in the red color, red and white, stainless steel rub rail, stainless steel pop-out cleats, front and back. Got a painted white arch on it, the bimini up top. Side fuel fill, comes with the galvanized single axle trailer. Nice big swim platform back here, great place to hang out. You got the ladder underneath, and then we'll hop up on the inside. I'll show you some features on the inside. All right, we jump to the inside here. This one is powered by Yamaha's 1.9 liter SVHO motor. You got a nice walk through here. You don't step on your cushions. This one snaps out. You got storage underneath all the seats. There's a built-in cooler slot here with the table. Cup holders throughout as well. Moving over to the console here, the helm. You got a bolstered seat. You got Yamaha's touchscreen display, your stereo head right there. You got a phone holder. This one has the cruise assist as well, so set your cruise control. Your switches on the dash, throttle lever here. You got tons of in-floor storage here as well. Storage on either side of the consoles. And then moving up into the bow, you got cushions everywhere, grab handles, cup holders, speakers. Again, you got storage underneath all the seats. Yes, it's an awesome boat, really fun, sporty. If you like it, we'd love to see you here. Again, this is Caleb with MarineMax Lake Norman. Hope to see you here soon.